Before a salmon can be smoked, it needs to be pin-boned, filleted and cured, which removes the moisture and helps preserve the flesh.
So we're going to cure it with rock salt?
Sea salt.
Sea salt. And are we going to add any flavours to that?
You can add molasses, you can sweeten it, you can add some herbs.
So at this stage you could put things like dill.
Yep, do a hot smoked salmon and we add thyme with that.
Crucial, we leave the skin on and the scales, so that gives it a protection, really.
Yeah, because if we took the skin off, the fish would just fall to pieces.
And salt on top?
Loads of salt now.
When you look at it, it looks like it's going to taste nothing but salt. And then within minutes, it's fascinating because it starts to go watery, right?
It'll start drawing it out.
Yeah.
Curing will help keep the fish's colour and give it a firmer texture.
So we'll cure that now for how long?
8-9 hours.
8-9 hours.
Yeah.
Then after that, we wash it off.
Wash it off, string it through the tail and hang it up to dry.
Good.
The salmon is left in salt, whilst we turn this piece of junk into our very own smoker.
Right, let's go. Let's build a smoker.
We make a compartment from wood, just about big enough to hang the salmon.
So this will be a complete flat board on the bottom.
Yeah.
Add a couple of curtain rails and a couple of holes to let the smoke in and the smoke out. Keep the fire separate to allow the salmon to smoke without heat, and you've got yourself your own simple smoker.
Brilliant.
The smoke will be made separately and cooled down before it gets into the car so as not to cook the fish.
So this is a cold, dry smoking?
Yeah, this is cold smoking rather than hot smoking. Hot smoking is smoking and then roasting almost.
Yeah. Smouldering oak sawdust will burn slowly to create smoke that will give our salmon its wonderful flavour.
And that's the oak, it's quite sweet, isn't it?
Yeah, it's almost caramelly.
So it's a very delicate, slow process.
Yeah. Well, it's just like, you can't hurry it, so you won't get the depth of flavour and the balance. You'll get a superficial, almost like a crust of smokiness.
Yeah.
We'll replace and relight the sawdust twice in 24 hours, just enough time to flavour the fish.
And how quick will that smoke go in there?
Coming through already.
It's smoking? Yeah, now it's ready for the fish. Jack, ready to put the salmon in there?
Yeah.
Let's go.
With the smoker finished and the oak sawdust lit, it's in with the salmon that Jack and I caught in Scotland.
The salmon Jack's got is the one we caught, and the one the girls have got was also caught that morning, yeah? Filleted, cured, and now, for the final process, smoking. It smells quite sweet, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Hold that, please.
Just spread them out so they're evenly.
That's brilliant. 24 hours for a mild flavoured
Yeah, 24 hours for a mild flavour. You want to be tasting salmon first, and then the sweetness and the oaky and caramelly sort of flavour of the smoke comes along.
The longer you smoke a fish like this, the deeper the flavour. We're leaving ours overnight. The next day, the Ramsay boys' smoked salmon is ready for the family verdict.
Right, ready for some smoked salmon?
Yeah.
Yes? All night last night, and then this morning. Wow, look at the colour of that. Who'd like a little taste first?
That is delicious.
That is amazing. Should we have some sandwiches?
Yeah!
Sour cream, capers, grate, some lemon in there. Some chervil, chop that up on there. The smoked salmon goes on top. Mate, that was a lot of hard work, yeah, but the results are worth it. Tilly, there we go.
It's delicious.
Caught, gutted, cured, smoked, and eaten. Anyway, we've all agreed, Mummy said that we can keep the Robin Reliant.
Yeah!
Yes!